MP3 Google Analytics Advanced Accounts, focusing on using a third-party payment gateway. Because Google Analytics uses first-party cookies for best practice purposes, when you use a third-party payment gateway, additional code needs to be entered into your async and the submission, link, or form method that you use. This will allow you to pass Google Analytics first-party cookies to your third-party domain, overcoming the browser's default security feature, thus allowing you to track completed transactions. The first step is to modify your async to the code seen here. This should be done on all pages within your primary site and store site pages. The code is available on the Google Analytics Help website under this topic. Putting the entire updated async code on all of your pages allows for any page in the future to easily use crossover links to third-party payment gateway sites. Technically, the set domain name and set allow linker entries are only necessary on the pages that pass over and receive the first-party cookies. Hence, the last page of your checkout process on your site and the entry page visitors use on the third-party checkout site. However, keeping an entire single async gives a simpler method of proofing and tracking in the future. Set domain name none forces the domain hash of the Google Analytics cookies to be set to 1, thus setting the cookies host to whatever the current URL is, in this case third party. To accomplish this push, you must also set allow linker to true. Lastly, modify the page on your website that calls the third-party gateway site, using either the link method, which passes the Google Analytics cookies to the receiving domain by appending them to the URL string. You should see _UTMA, UTMB, and or UTMC parameters in your third-party landing page URL. Or the second option, the form method. This approach passes the Google Analytics cookies to the receiving domain via the HTTP headers. It's recommended to use the link method to ensure your setup is correct, and then use the form method if required. Today we covered using a third-party payment gateway. For more information on any item in the series, email massimo@mpaolini.com. For those just beginning with Google Analytics or wanting a well-rounded concept of what it is all about, we encourage you to sign up for MP3's free webinar. Once on www.mpaolini.com, click on the services link and select webinars. Scroll down to the registration link section and click on the next available one that fits your schedule. We look forward to having you attend.